Alright, so this is normally what happens when you have a high ceiling and you're trying to put lights around here. So I just want to show you guys a before and after. So this one, we ended up taking this down. We're going to put a chandelier winch on there with the chandelier so that, you know, they can bring it down so that they can clean it. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the before and after on the high ceilings. They take longer, so normally obviously they cost more, but I'll just show you guys what's happening. Hey, they sent me a lot of books. I don't know why so many books. But normally this is the guy right here.
Okay, now from I go to the next. Yeah, but first thing I need to try to get the ceiling plate so they can do the one. Okay. Come on.
Alright, so excellent. I got it. So we had at the end of the day this is the actual light right here. It had two pipes going in. At the end of the day I gotta do a little bit of work just to reroute it, just so that it's in the same hole. But this is the actual part right here. Oh yeah. That's it. Yes.
¿Traes un cuchillo?
Para drywall, sí.
Ok, mira.
Yeah.
Voy a poner una caja allá abajo para que le cortes a la medida. Son 4 pulgadas.
Okay, pull a box then.
Sí. ¿Tienes una caja? Para que le corte. ¿El motor está aquí arriba?
Yeah, and look, technically they had the old box with the brackets still. They didn't even bother to get one without brackets. So this is the old box. The motor is actually going to go right on top of this hole, and then the box is going to be on top of the motor. Alright, so this actual red piece right here is what comes down and up. So at the end of the day, this red circle has to be... I might have to open this up a little bit just to make sure it doesn't hit. Yeah. So I'm gonna work on that real quick. Just so you know, it's really hot up here. And technically itchy. Okay. I'm going by hand because obviously hold on. Technically, at the end of the day, you're not gonna see this square. It's gonna be covered by the light fixture. That's by hand as best as I could. And then he puts the box so that the trash doesn't fall in the bottom. So right now, our next step is to line it up. Alright, so you see how these, I'm gonna modify these real quick just to be able to put the box up here. And then I gotta connect this to that box. Same thing, the only difference is I'm just fold these pipes in and then the box will connect the same way. Straightness doesn't really matter as long as it's inside that box and everything's secure. 1 second. There's live power on these. Actually, I don't want to be. I don't want to be pinching them. Yeah, very good.
Lester,
Yeah.
amarra ese en la amarradera ese que tiene arriba.
You see? And then I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Did you fold it? Aquí está. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So, yeah. So ended up boom, boom. And then the box right on top. Honestly, I don't know where these things come from. They might come from China. I don't know. But at the end of the day, this is going to connect inside this box right here. Obviously, I got to use a clamp down connector. But let me finish connecting and then I'll power it on. Once we power it on, upstairs is done. Alright, so... Oh, snap. That scared me. So we have everything wired up. They're testing the motor just to see if it lines up center. A ver, dale para abajo. Yeah. Once everything's tight, we'll snug it up. Dale para abajo. ¿No da o qué?
No quiere, güey.
Dale. Alright, so this is normally if you have a high ceiling, normally anything above 10 feet is kind of technically a high ceiling. So for a high ceiling, something like this, you kind of want to get your layout ready, and then these do cost a little bit more because obviously you need a whole rig here. But right now, main thing was we just measured, made the holes, and then technically we're just gonna connect these real quick. But I wanted to show you guys the setup here, and then that's a chandelier. That's a whole different video, but we're doing that too. Oh, and these are the lights. These are the lights. Oh, it's plastic. It's not. Oh my God, this is literally plastic. It's not even metal. These are not color changing. Oh, and they're not. Oh, hello. Oh, I don't like that because garbage can get stuck there in the crest way. Yeah. No, but normally the customer supplies the lights. So whatever you guys choose, that's what you're getting. If you want to buy Alibaba, that's fine. Later if flickers or anything like that, then technically you're responsible for them. These normally we get at a Home Depot. They're like $21 each, but I mean, as long as they work, I guess, right? But we'll see. But yeah, these are the lights right now. We're gonna start hanging them up, and then I'll go up there to wire them real fast. So there's the 6 lights right there. The chandelier over here. Usually if it's a first floor, there's gonna be damage because we gotta get from here to here and you don't have the attic to go over. So usually first floor, there's damage. If in case you do get second floor, almost all the time, no damage whatsoever. Like these 2 lights over here, and then over here, all these 4 are on its own little room here. Same thing over here. If you have one switch, if you have a decent, if your house is up to code, you can always increase it to 2 switches. And then same thing with this one. Same switches got used. And then for this one, we just added a ceiling fan. Right here. Same thing, no damage. We put everything back already. Alright, so we have the winch already installed and already wired. Usually when you add this, you gotta add some type of modification. And then technically this is the guy that we're going with. First time that it comes with a booklet actually. Usually they get some stuff from China. But this is it. Oh, let me show you guys what comes in here. Actually, it's gonna take a few hours to even assemble. But usually we never use these. You guys can clean that later. You got the winch now. So this is the design. Oh, you see the numbers right there? You got some more here, 22. So I'm gonna start with just, Okay, we're adjusting the height from the ceiling to now. This is perfect height. So now we can start assembling these lights that I kind of already started over here. So usually we do this first before we mount everything, then go up and realize that it's not adjusted. So this is the actual plate right here. It's a little messy, it's no big deal. The maid can clean that. And then yep, that's it. It's already sized properly. If you notice, you got these little hooks right here. Each of those is technically one of these ropes right here. Something like this takes a long time to install, man. Just so you know. So there's only like literally a third of them. We still got more to go. But right now we're gonna start hanging them. Just want to show you guys what it looks like before it gets hung. Okay, so at the end of the day, we're actually done. A few things also. Where was it? Oh, these three right here, it was missing the hooks right here. 3 hooks were missing. And then technically, if you want to get technical, it's missing 1 string. I don't think you can see. I can't even see it anymore. Whereas, oh, this guy right here, that last guy. I see it. Where is it at? Oh, I can't even see it anymore. But yeah, if you buy this, just try not to buy from China because you get small defects like that, you know? Yep, so move slow obviously so that the whole thing doesn't get tangled. And that's it. It's a winch / chandelier installation. Pretty common actually. It's actually common. I'll try to upload a picture, but we have a grand chandelier. This stuff right here is little kid stuff. I'll show you guys a grand chandelier. Oh yeah, lunchtime. Look, it even displays. Alright, so technically we are done for today. So we ended up, technically if you have a first floor and upstairs obviously you have another floor, there's going to be damage, just so you know. For this one you got lucky, this is the only damage here. With the kitchen, not so lucky. Or actually these two were existing, like, so we ended up moving them over. Oh, right here damage, yep. But the guy can patch that out right away, it's no big deal. And then for this other bedroom where it's no lights whatsoever from scratch, well obviously you see the damage right there. And then these two. So this is the only damage in here other than that. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys can light installations on the first floor as opposed to the second one. Second one almost never damage because you could just go from above. First floor, there's gonna be some type of damage. But yeah, we're out of here. Alright, turn it on. I'm coming down.